Hello, I'm back again with another hotel review. Sabrina with Fun Trips Vacations. We are staying at the Staybridge Suites in Florence, South Carolina. And I'm going to give you a room review. First of all, very impressive door. Very impressive door. It's very heavy. Impressed with the door, first of all. When you walk in, I am so impressed with this hotel. We used to stay, I'm not going to name the one, but it was our favorite. But now I found a new favorite. You walk into the little kitchen area. There's a stainless steel fridge. I mean, you've got a full fridge here. Freezer that gets really cold. Fridge. Full fridge. Very clean. You have a dishwasher. You have your kitchen cabinets. Very clean. Full of dishes. Dishes, bowls, plenty of glasses, measuring cups up there. Very impressive. You have, they have it here all. Toasters, can openers, silverware, coffee cups, coffee filters. You got your sugar, your salt and pepper. Full microwave. Very clean, very clean. I'm impressed. And you got your stove top. You have 2 aisles, which should be enough while you're on vacation. You have your coffee pot. Your cooking utensils. That's the dishwasher. Let's see. Okay, now we enter the room. Floor is very clean. You have a little area here where, you've got your popcorn, your decaffeinated teas, Bigelow. This is your coffee, regular roast, relaxed roast. So that's coffee for in the morning or whenever you want to have it. Then there's a desk here, desk area. Very large couch sitting area. Nice large windows, flat screen TV. Big, large king bed. Big, large king bed, which is nice. You have your mirror. And you have, let's see, your clock here. And yeah, once again, it's the Staybridge Suites. Staybridge Suites. I love the headboard. And then we enter the bathroom. I so love the light up mirrors now they have nowadays. You have your hair dryer in there. Extra toilet paper. I think this is granite countertop. Makeup. Hi. I love the light of this mirror, so I am impressed so far, yes. And here's the bathroom, very, very clean. Very nice shower, clean shower. You have your Dove shampoo, conditioner, body wash. If I can get the body wash. The door sizes are so large, I mean, the doors are so large in here. You can get the entire door on the camera. Got your tile floor. But I love this hotel. I had a favorite, but now that the other one was booked up, and I'm kind of glad, because I would have never found out about this one. Alright, so the TV, how do we get the TV on? So live TV, I guess you hit enter. Enter. Okay, turn it up.
Saw the 49ers score 41 points. Saw Brock Purdy throw 3 touchdowns. See how strong and how much.
So
Hey, coming up tomorrow, we'll go down this road on Black Friday.
that's it.
Black Friday.
I mean, I really like the Staybridge suites.
The Jets, and you can watch
I really love it.
for free on Prime Video. 3 p.m. Eastern time. Stream for free tomorrow, Black Friday. Dolphins, Jets.
So that's my tour review of the Staybridge Suites, Florence, South Carolina, near the convention center, if you want to know where it is. And I think you will love it. From Sabrina from Fun Trips Vacations. Alright, you all have a great time. We'll see you the next time on our next tour.